Hi there, and welcome to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. This is Jen here today, and I will be making two cards with you using the January box of the month. The box of the month is sold out for January, which is why it's a great idea to go ahead and get the recurring subscription to make sure you don't ever miss out on a box. However, the items that I am using in this video today are currently available at the time of this video, and so the ephemera pack and the paper pack is currently available as single sets, not a part of the box. So I'm making really simple, easy cards today using just the paper pad, the 6x6 paper pad, and the ephemera pack. And in the 6x6 paper pack, you get 24 sheets of double-sided paper. There are 4 of each design, so there's lots of paper. I know a lot of times if I get like only 2 pieces of pattern paper, I am really hesitant to use it because then it's gone. And so I love that there are 4 pieces of each design because then I just feel better about using it. But for this first card, I've gone ahead and I've used that kind of checkerboard heart pattern paper. And then I've taken a piece of white cardstock and cut about 3/4 of a circle. And then I've also taken that checkerboard in the black and white and have just used a portion of a die, and I've adhered those together. And then on the bottom, I'm going to use the ephemera, the big envelope, and 2 of the gnomes. And I'm just going to go ahead and hook those gnomes onto the envelope and adhere them. So there's one on either side. And so I'll go ahead and adhere those pieces together. And it's so great to have a coordinating ephemera with a paper pack or just coordinating items, because it really takes a lot of the guesswork out of trying to figure out what goes with what, because all of these papers in this pack go together beautifully, and they go together with the ephemera pieces as well. So it's really super easy. You're basically just creating a layout and figuring out how you want the elements to go on your card, and that is it. And so after I've adhered all of my pieces, that will finish off this card. And the second card is another really easy card. I have gone ahead and taken a embossing folder from my stash, and it's got a bunch of love themed or Valentine words on it. And then I'm going to take the piece of truck ephemera and the little basket of hearts, and I'm going to go ahead and cover up the basket portion to make it look like those hearts are coming out of the truck. Now the ephemera has 2 trucks actually. It has this truck right here, which has stuff already in the bed of the truck, and then there is a truck that is empty in the bed of the truck. And so I went ahead and thought I would use the one that already had stuff to make everything mesh well together. I went ahead and added a strip of that black and white checkerboard on the bottom of the cardstock just to ground the truck. And then I think I grabbed every single one of the little heart ephemeras, and there are these cute little envelopes in there as well that I grabbed, and I'm just stacking all of these one behind the other just to make it look full and that the truck is carrying this load of hearts and Valentine wishes. And then I'll add a few sequins, and that's going to finish off the card. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like this video or find it informative, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We would love it if you would subscribe to the Not Too Shabby channel, as well as visit us on social media, which is listed below. I will have links to the products that I used in the description below as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.